Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, hands-on product reviews. In today's video, we're checking out the best vehicle construction kit with remote control currently available on the market. The Beweai Remote Control Excavator Toy. Whether you're buying for a curious child, a budding young engineer, or even a hobbyist adult, this one's got something special for everyone. Let's dive in. Right out of the box, this 120 scale excavator is a showstopper. Designed to mimic a real-life construction vehicle, it comes packed with 11 functional channels. That's not just up, down, left, right. This thing can dig, lift, move in all directions, rotate its cab 680 degrees, and even spin a full 360 on the spot. The dual heavy-duty tracks give it serious traction on all kinds of outdoor surfaces, sand, dirt, gravel, so it's ready for backyard construction missions anytime. Now, let's talk about power and playtime. Inside the box, you'll find not one but two 1200 mAh rechargeable batteries. Each battery delivers extended runtime, meaning more digging, more building, and fewer playtime interruptions. One quick note: before popping in the battery, give the tracks a gentle manual rotation for smooth installation. And here's where it gets really exciting. This isn't just a quiet little toy. It's built for immersion. With powerful motors under the hood, a tough alloy metal shovel, and realistic hydraulic movements, it doesn't just look the part, it works like the real thing. Add in bright LED lights and engine sound effects, and suddenly you're not just playing, you're stepping into a real construction site. This excavator is more than fun, it's educational. For kids aged 6 through 12, it's a hands-on lesson in mechanics, motion, and even early STEM learning. It helps develop hand-eye coordination and spatial awareness. And thanks to its easy one-click demo function, even younger kids can get started without frustration. It's a brilliant tool for outdoor exploration, solo play, or bonding time with parents. Packaging matters too, and Beweai delivers here as well. The premium gift box includes everything you need: the excavator, the 2.4 GHz remote, 2 rechargeable batteries, a USB charging cable, a small screwdriver, and a user manual. It's all there, neatly packed and ready to gift. Perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just a surprise treat. Whether it's a birthday gift for a 7-year-old or a cool backyard toy for a tween, this RC excavator ticks every box. It performs like a professional-grade construction toy, feels durable in your hands, and offers hours of creative playtime. In summary, the Beweai Remote Control Excavator Toy is not just another plastic digger. It's a miniature powerhouse of engineering, play, and fun. With realistic controls, strong build quality, dual batteries for longer play, and a design that's just plain cool, it's easy to see why this is the best vehicle construction kit with remote control out there right now. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a deep dive review like this one. See you in the next video.